Qwirkle. This is a set making and a logic game, and we're going to play it today. Comes with all the tiles, 108 of them, in this little bag so that you can't see which tiles you pick and you're not supposed to see which ones you get. So everybody, 2 to 4 players can play. Each player is going to pick out 6 tiles and they're not going to show their opponent. My opponent's already picked his 6, so I'm just going to randomly draw 6 of them here.
Here's my 6.
I'm going to sit those over there. I'm going to set my 6 up. Now the way you decide who goes first in this game is whoever has whoever has the most of one shape or one color gets to go first. So I have 2.
I have 3.
Okay. And if you have say 3 green ones but 2 of them are the same shape, you really only have 2. I should tell you that up front. So you have 3, so you go first.
All right. So I'm going to take these 3, all different colors but the same shape.
And then he will pick 3 replacement tiles. And this is a score as you game goes. So if you look over here, you make out
Go game.
You make out your scoring sheet right here, and this would be worth 3 points. 1, 2, 3. So he has 3 points, and now it's my turn. And I have to match something he's laid out, and I can only lay in a straight line. So I'm going to add 1 star and 1 green one next to it. So these are all green, so I'm allowed to lay that in 1 line, and I just laid 1 line. I didn't go around a corner, I just went this way. So now I score it like this. I get 1, 2 points for those, and I get 3, 4, 5, 6 for those. So that's 6 points, and I want to pick some replacement tiles from the bag. And I don't look, I just reach right in.
I'm going to play a yellow circle here, and a yellow diamond here, and a yellow square here. And I can do that because these are all the same color, and when I laid this, these are all the same shape. So that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4 here, plus 2 more here, 6 points in all.
So I add those 6 points on, and I keep a running total. He's got 9 points now. And then you just keep going like that. I'll do 1 or 2 more turns. Okay, so I have got a bunch of circles here. I've got this one and this one, and I can't use that one. I had another green one, but I can't use it because there's already a green one in here. So that's really all I can lay, and I would just get 1, 2, 3, 4. But let's say, since we're not going to keep going here through a whole game, let's say I had a red circle and a blue circle. I could sit those both down, and I would say, Qwirkle! And I would get 12 points for my Qwirkle. I would add 12 points on for a whole set completed. That would be a 12-point move. Now the only other thing you have to know, you can actually get more than 12 points. If I had done something like this, where I'd had 2 different shapes, I'd had a starburst shape, and what shape am I missing? I can't see just off the top of my head, but there are 2 more shapes. There are 6 different shapes. So if I'd laid those 2 shapes, I actually could have gotten 12 for a Qwirkle and whatever I got that I added on to this way. So if I'd had those, that would have been a whole Qwirkle there for me. So the only other thing you have to know is if you have a turn where you have 6 tiles and you don't like anything in your hand, you can't lay anything good, you can not get to lay any for that turn, and instead turn as many tiles as you want into the bag and pick new ones. You just have to shake it up so you get new ones. And that's all there is to it. You just keep going until the first person lays his last tile. And when he's all the way out and there are no more to pick in the bag, game's over. He gets 6 bonus points for being the first one to lay his last tile. You tally up all the points, and the one with the most points wins.